Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Dr Pooper Accelerator is probably one of the most sought-after devices for pet owners looking to simplify and expedite the process of house training their furry companions, offering a unique blend of technology and convenience that aims to transform a challenging task into a more manageable and even enjoyable experience for both pets and their humans. Number 5. Septic Safe Dissolvable Live Bacteria Packets. Achieve a healthy septic system with our monthly dissolving packets. They are specially formulated to break down waste and maintain proper function, preventing costly backups and repairs. Simply flush one packet down your toilet each month. Each packet contains billions of scientifically selected active bacteria cultures. These cultures produce and activate enzymes to reduce solids and decompose waste in your septic tank and leach field. Our flushable packets are all natural with no chemical additives. They are safe for all home plumbing, black water systems, and both aerobic and anaerobic septic systems. You can flush them with confidence. Maintain your residential septic system and keep it odor-free. These dissolvable enzyme pouches are also ideal for marine holding tanks and camper toilets, effectively controlling bad smells. A small investment in our treatment prevents clogs and buildup that cause septic overflow. The bacteria digest solid waste, converting it to liquid, saving you from costly repairs and frequent pumping. What we like. This product offers a simple, monthly flush and forget solution for septic system maintenance. Its live bacteria cultures work to break down waste effectively. If you prefer a no-fuss, preventative approach to keeping your septic system healthy and avoiding costly backups, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Within a day the smell was gone, which means the tank is being broken down. The dissolvable packets make it incredibly easy. I just toss one in the toilet and I'm done. It's very easy to use. One flush per month. Number 4. Drainfield Cleaner Tablets, 20 count. Are you struggling with slow drains and unpleasant odors? Our powerful tablets are designed to tackle tough clogs and eliminate foul smells effectively. Keep your septic system running smoothly with our specialized treatment. It works on both aerobic and anaerobic systems to break down sludge and prevent future issues. Make a sustainable choice for your home. Our product uses 90% less plastic, offering an environmentally conscious way to maintain your drain field. Enjoy a 10-month supply with just one purchase. These convenient tablets provide continuous care for your septic system, saving you time and money. Maintaining your septic system has never been easier. Simply flush one tablet down the toilet for hassle-free treatment and a cleaner home. What we like. These tablets are designed to tackle existing clogs and reduce unpleasant odors in your septic system. With a focus on reducing plastic waste, they offer an eco-conscious option. If you're dealing with immediate issues like blockages and smells, and you also care about minimizing your environmental impact, these tablets are a great fit. What people say. Within a week we noticed a difference in the wet areas of the yard, and not much longer those areas were dry and draining properly. After about the 4th application of Dr Pooper, our leach field began to dry up. After using it for 3 days, my toilet flushes completely every single time with no more gurgling and now no more smells. Number 3. Septi-Flow Shock Septic Drainfield Repair Solution. Is your septic drainfield clogged and underperforming? Septi-Flow Shock is designed to break down hardened soil and restore proper function. This powerful formula actively dissolves the deadpan soil that obstructs your leach field. It effectively clears away blockages. Get a complete treatment for your septic system with just 1 gallon. It provides a comprehensive solution for drainfield issues. Applying this treatment is straightforward, yet it delivers potent results. Restore your drainfield's health with ease. Don't let a clogged drainfield disrupt your home. This solution is engineered to bring back optimal flow and performance. Choose Septi-Flow for reliable septic system maintenance. Our products are formulated to provide effective and lasting solutions. What we like. This solution is specifically formulated to address issues within the drain field itself, breaking down hardened soil that can impede function. It provides a comprehensive treatment for a critical part of your septic system. If you suspect your drain field is the source of problems or needs a deep clean to restore its permeability, this product is designed for that specific, intensive repair. What people say. The product is easy to use and provides quick results. It has a sleek design and is very portable. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 2. Green Gobbler Septic Tank Enzyme Treatment. Tired of worrying about your septic system? Introducing a powerful, natural solution designed to keep it running smoothly. This treatment uses natural bacteria to prevent common septic problems before they start. Avoid expensive repairs and messy backups. Get a 6-month supply in one convenient pack. That's half a year of protection for your septic tank. Simply use one packet as directed. It's an effortless way to maintain your septic system's health. Our formula is both powerful and natural, ensuring effective results without harsh chemicals. Keep your system clean and functional. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your septic system is protected. It's the smart choice for homeowners. What we like. This option utilizes powerful, natural bacteria to proactively prevent common septic problems like backups and costly repairs. It offers a convenient 6-month supply in easy-to-use packets. If you're looking for a natural, long-term preventative maintenance solution to keep your septic system running smoothly without intervention, this is the one for you. What people say. After 7 years, my filter still looked remarkably clean. That's when I realized just how effective this product has been behind the scenes. The best thing about this is that it is a biologic agent, not a corrosive. I feel like this is much better for promoting longevity in the plumbing system, and it is better for water systems all the way around. Great maintenance aid for your home septic system. I use one every 2 months and two about 7 days after someone in the household finishes a course of antibiotics. These keep your septic running optimally and avoids costly pump outs. Keeps the solids low and allows the liquid to flow through the tank into the field. Number 1. Green Gobbler Septic Sludge Remover, 1 gallon. Dealing with a septic emergency? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle tough clogs and backups when you need it most. Tired of unpleasant smells? This treatment effectively eliminates foul odors, restoring freshness to your home environment. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Regular use helps prevent future clogs, backups, and overflows, keeping your septic system running smoothly. Our advanced formula breaks down stubborn septic sludge. It works deep within your tank to clear blockages and improve system efficiency. Getting your septic system back on track is simple. Just 1 gallon of this potent treatment provides a comprehensive solution for your needs. Choose a reliable solution for your septic tank maintenance. It's the effective way to ensure your system functions without interruption. What we like. This product is your go-to for urgent septic emergencies, designed to rapidly remove sludge and prevent overflows. It offers a powerful, quick-acting solution when problems arise. If you're experiencing a sudden septic clog, foul odors, or an overflow situation and need an immediate, effective remedy, this emergency remover is what you need. What people say. The main line opener fixed a clog so bad, somewhere, so deep in our pipes, that 3 bottles of 60-ounce maximum strength Drano, a 30-foot electric auger, and that crazy air blast gun thing failed to even put a dent in. This stuff is incredible. We poured about half a bottle down our bathtub drain. Let it sit overnight, and poured a few pots of boiled water down. We saw a little improvement, but not enough. Since we had another half a bottle, we decided to go for broke. This time we left it for 12 hours, and poured about 20 gallons of boiling water down the drain after the 12 hours. The boiled water is pivotal. Not hot, boiling. Not a few pots, gallons. We waited another 4 hours, and then filled up the tub. Pulled the drain, and heard some water immediately go down, followed by a huge suction-like pop, and huzzah! The clog was gone. This treatment is easily the best I've used in the 25 years we've been in this house. Our drains and toilets were getting sluggish despite using other products over the years in an effort to maintain the system. When one toilet stopped flushing, I bought another brand and spent 4 days following its directions with no results. This treatment, half the bottle, had that toilet back up and running in minutes. And the rest of our system is flowing better as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.